Hello.
Hello, my name
Yes,
is
how?
Giang. I'm 30 years old. I'm studying in Saigon School. My favorite food is noodles.
Noodles. How about your
My
favorite?
my favorite sport is basketball. I play basketball one time every day.
Every day. Okay. Next one. Where do you live in?
Ho Chi Minh City.
You live in Ho Chi Minh City. Okay. So your favorite food is noodles. How
Yes.
about pizza or hamburger?
No.
You don't like pizza or hamburger?
Yes.
Okay. How about fried chicken?
Mm, some.
Mm. Don't really like. You don't really like.
Yeah.
Okay. Next one. How about your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is orange juice.
Juice. So how about watermelon juice?
No.
No. So how about Coca-Cola?
Um, don't really like.
You don't really like. Okay. So you only like orange juice?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So do you like green?
No.
No. What's your favorite color?
Black.
Black. Only black?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have many friends?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay. So next one. Oh, do you like watching movie?
Yes.
Yes. What kind of movie do you like watching?
Conan.
Conan. Detective Conan. Yeah.
Yes.
Who do you like the most in this movie?
Main character.
Main character is Conan.
Yes.
Why do you like Conan the most?
It's cool.
He cool.
Cool.
Do you think Kaito Kid also cool?
Yeah.
Yes. But Conan is cooler.
Yes.
Yes, okay. Yeah. So do you think Conan is handsome? Hmm.
Yes.
Yes, okay. So you just like Conan because he cool?
Yes.
Do you want to become a detective like Conan?
Um, no.
No. So what is your dream job?
Dream.
Hmm.
Um, famous YouTuber.
Favorite YouTuber? Yeah.
Yes.
So, what is the content that you want to do about, to make about the video? The
Mm,
content like a reviewer, food reviewer. What do you
Um,
like to do to make about?
I don't have idea.
You don't have any idea. You just like to become a
Yeah.
famous YouTuber.
Um, it's my dream is become famous YouTuber, but
Hmm.
I don't have the idea
Hmm.
to make a video.
Yeah, you didn't have any idea. Okay. Next one. So, did you have YouTube channel?
Um, it's no
No.
yeah,
Okay.
picture.
Okay. Next one. Next one. Do you like listening to music?
Yes,
Yes. So what kind of music do you often listen to?
K-pop,
K-pop? Oh, what's your favorite singer?
Blackpink.
Blackpink. Okay, you like Blackpink. Do you want to go to your concert of Blackpink in the
Um,
future?
yeah.
Yeah, yes, of course. Okay. So let's ask you the final question one. What do you often do in your free time?
Um, uh, watching video in on the YouTube.
What kind of video? Ah, let me guess. Review, film review.
Yes,
Yes,
I
okay.
really like it.
Okay, so now let's go. We come to the next part today. We'll talk about your best friend. Okay, so Ngân, Giang, are you ready?
Yes,
Yes. Do you have best friends?
Yes.
Yeah. So what is his name?
Um, Hoàng Mai.
Hoa Mai. Yeah. Okay. Her name is Hoa Mai. So how old is Hoa Mai?
Um, 30 years.
She also 13 years old, right? The same age like you.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Well. Next one. What do you often do with your best friend Hoa Mai?
Um, uh, Talk,
Talking. You and your friend chit chat together.
chat.
Chit
Yes.
chat. Yeah, talk together. Okay. So, what do you often talk to your best friend? Talk with your
Um,
best friend
uh, hmm, is
about
a spell study.
about your daily life or about your
Uh,
favorite singer, about Blackpink. Do you
Not
you
yet.
talk about Blackpink with your friends or talk about your daily life, about your family, your study with your friends? Yes or no?
Not yet.
Not yet. Not yet. Okay. Next one. Now, is your friend live near your house?
No.
No. So is your friend classmate? Your classmate? Classmate you she study in the same class like you.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Do you know what her favorite color?
Um, Yellow.
Yellow. So does she also like noodles like you?
Not yet.
Not yet. So what
She
her favorite
don't
food?
really like it.
Hmm. So what is her favorite food?
Hmm. Egg.
Egg. She like egg. Okay, fried egg?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Next one, how does she look like?
She fat. Little fat.
A little fat. Is she
Mm.
cute or pretty?
Uh, Cute.
Cute, okay. Next one, is she taller than you or shorter than you?
Same as.
The same. Okay, she's same like you. Okay, next one, why did she become your best friend?
Because she is a funny girl.
Mm-hmm. Funny. A funny
Funny
girl.
girl. And
Okay.
she study good.
She study well. Okay. Next one, does she also like listening to music like you?
Mm. No, she like listening reading.
She like reading.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So does she like also like Blackpink like you?
Not.
No. Okay. So we come to the next part today. We'll talk about your hobby. Okay. You have 2 minutes to tell me about your hobby. Let's go.
My favorite hobby is um watching video because it has a relax and the funny video it make me laugh
How often do you watch video?
every day.
Every day. So how much time do you spend for watching video?
Um, uh, 30 minutes.
Just 30 minutes?
No, 1 hour.
1 hour. One
Yes.
hour. What kind of video do you often watch?
Review films.
Review film, movie review. Okay. Next one.
Yes.
Oh, what kind of film do you often watch movie review?
It's in the side of life.
Mm-hmm. So I have a question. Did you watch Conan review film?
Not yet.
No,
I
yes.
like watch a movie Conan in the cinema.
Mm-hmm. Cinema. Okay. So do you like to watch any other kind of movie?
Doraemon.
Doraemon. Doraemon Chiều. Okay, next one. So, what is the first time you watch a movie review?
Um, uh, it's I I was 10 years.
10 years ago. It's 3 years ago, right?
Yes,
Okay. So, do you often watch video on the smartphone or on television or on the
on a
computer?
smartphone.
Your smartphone. Okay. So, next one, except watching movie, watching video. Do you have any other hobby?
Mm, no,
No, just
it's
watching
it
movie.
it's okay. It's my hobby. Okay.
Just watching movie, right? Okay. Anyway, it's good. Okay. So now let's go. We come to the next part today. Mini story. So, Ngân Giang, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. After a year, Tony goes back to his hometown for Lunar New Year. Ooh.
Woo.
Where does Tony go back to?
His hometown.
Okay. What did Tony try making in his hometown?
Spring roll and trứng cake.
Spring roll chicken cake. Did he fill chicken cake with lime meat?
Yes,
Why did Tony fill chicken cake with lime meat?
because he want to make the special Vietnamese special trứng cake.
Special chicken cake. So, do you know another name of chicken cake?
Um, no.
Square sticky rice cake, right?
Ah,
Yeah, okay.
rice
So
cake.
what is the shape of chicken cake? Like round or star? Triangle.
Square.
Square, okay, very good, square. Next one, what did he fill spring roll with?
Dinosaur meat.
Dinosaur meat, okay. Later, who cleaned the house?
Dog and a cat.
Why do the dog and the cat clean the house?
Because Tony asked. Because Tony asked.
Tony asked them to
Okay.
clean, right? Okay,
Okay.
why did Tony not clean the house?
Because he feel lazy.
He lazy, okay. What do the cat and the dog do with the house?
Clean the house.
Clean, they sweep.
They sweep and tidy up the house.
Yeah, they sweep, dust, and tidy up the house. What did Tony give them as a reward?
Golden fish from a kitchen god.
Okay, next one. When did Tony get a huge red envelope?
On a New Year's Day.
On New Year's Day, okay. So what is inside the huge red envelope?
1,000 Việt Nam đồng.
Oh, 1,000 Vietnam đồng. So is 1,000 Vietnam đồng lucky money?
Yes.
Yes, very well. Next one. For at last, what did Tony think is the best? For Tony, what is the best?
I don't remember.
Okay. Tony find only 1,000 Vietnam đồng inside the red envelope, right? And then Tony live together.
Live together and
Yeah.
buy the ice cream.
Ice cream. He lived to get the ice cream, right? And he thinks that this is the best.
The best.
Yeah, this is the best. So what is the best?
Ice cream.
Yeah, ice cream. Ice cream is the best. Okay, so we come to the final part today. Listening. Yes, it's really easy. Okay, so now let's take the sound.
Listen and send the correct answers.
Can you hear the sound?
Yeah.
Yes, okay, now let's go.
Listen and send the correct answers in the chat box. 1.
LYSZX 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 LYSZX
2.
DAJEZ 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 DAJEZ
3.
TALJU TALJU Talju. Talju.
4.
Izpfsqu. 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 Izpfsqu.
5.
Umbadzh. 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 Umbadzh.
This is
It's
the end of
finished.
the listening test.
Okay. It's also the end of the test today. Do a great job today, Ngân Giang. Okay.
But I think I wrong.
Who knows? You need to wait your results. Okay. So this is the end of the test. Goodbye, Ngân Giang, and bye bye. See you.
Goodbye.
Yeah, bye bye.